Hello and good day. We are going to do a little bit of a tutorial right now. I needed to add the blend shapes for facial tracking in Unity for one of my characters, so I decided to bring you guys along with me. So, okay, you want to make sure you have the UniVRM before you import the HANA tools, or you will get a whole bunch of errors. So after it's imported, what you want to do is open up your character folder where your character is, and then simply just drag your character into this assets box. After a minute, it does that. You can close that. Then click on your avatar down here, and then pull it up to the hierarchy box. Once in the hierarchy box, you want to click the avatar again, and then click HANA Tools up here at the top. Then go to Reader. Once you're in Reader, so you want to click this little circle, click the face mesh. And then you want to pick your version. Since I'm using the newest version of VRoid Studio, I'm going to click this one. So after you do that, you just click Read Blend Shapes. Then it's going to say it's finished reading the blend shapes and it added them to the mesh. You click OK. And then, with your avatar still highlighted, click HANA Tools again. And then you're going to come down to Expression Builder. Okay, in here, click the little circle again. And what I like to do is just type in my character's name because it pulls it up really fast. And double click. And now she is loaded into the avatar object box. And then you just simply click Build Expressions. Let it do its thing for a minute. Okay, after it's complete, click OK. And you can close this. Now, this part's important. Take the new PS file and drag it up into the hierarchy. Once there, click it again. Go to VRM 1 up at the top, click it, and export VRM 1. Okay, so just scroll down and hit export. It's doing its thing, and it's done. And from there, you have an updated VRM model with face tracking. I hope this was helpful, and I love you guys. Bye.